Yeah, sorry. That was me. I leaked their own product. I've got some explaining to do.
In this video, you'll see how over the last few months, we tricked the whole leaker community and subsequently the whole internet into thinking this product was real.
It sounded kind of sketchy, but let me explain.
It all started when I spoke to Nothing Design team member Joseph after his product had been leaked online. I didn't really understand his frustration because as a tech fan, I kind of love leaks. But then he said, imagine you're a comedian. You have a perfect joke lined up, you're nearing the end, and just then someone in the crowd blurts out the punchline. But get this, it's not even the right punchline. It's defeating. That's what being subject to a crappy leak feels like.
Silly reenactments aside, when I was speaking to Joseph and seeing that disappointment in his eyes, that was sad. It was kind of brutal, and it made me look at leaks differently. So that made me think, I know we're not going to stop leaks forever, but why don't we do a little something to get a bit of payback for Joseph? So I've been doing some research on these leakers to figure out, you know, what type of people are they, what makes them tick and all this. And turns out they've got full-on fan bases. They got personal branding. They build hype for their products. What I'm realizing is they absolutely love clout. And that's when it hit me. But what if the product that they leak is fake? Then this would tarnish their reputation forever, or at least make them think twice before leaking another product again.
While Nothing has been subject to countless leaks, we had no actual idea of how to plant a leak of our own. So we pulled some strings and we hopped on a call with an actual leaker to get intel on how to plant a leak of our own. But before we get to that, we're giving away one Phone 2A Plus to one lucky subscriber. Subscribe below for a chance to win. Back to the video.
So how do leaks happen?
The most common type of leak is an accidental leak. So the most famous accidental leak happened in 2010 when an Apple employee left an unreleased iPhone 4 on a bar stool. It wasn't long before the images made it online. Next type of leak is what we call a supply chain leak. When building a product, there are a number of different companies involved in the manufacturing process. Leakers know this and will try to get any details they can from these manufacturers.
Intentional leaks, is that something that people do? That sounded kind of crazy to me.
Yeah, intentional leaks. They're way less common than other leaks and they're extremely hard to prove. But sometimes companies intentionally leak their products ahead of their launches.
That's kind of mad. So what, they just take their image and just blast it on Twitter and then just pretend it wasn't them?
Well, it depends. It can be straightforward with brands mistakenly posting the picture of an unreleased product only. Or sometimes it's a bit more strategic. They will go behind their vendors' backs and upload images to the back end of their sites, knowing that leakers have methods of checking these sites every day.
Okay, so if leaks happen and the company's in on it, what's to stop them leaking a fake product? Is there any way that you guys can check it?
They can't do much when it comes to specs, but they will put images through certain tests, like change the exposure to see if it's all uniform, zoom in to see if there's a hidden message, and all other sorts of tests to cover their asses.
Bro, thank you so much for taking the time. I've got to run to a meeting, but let's chat soon, all right?
All good, all good.
Okay, so I know the content team are known for going like a little bit rogue sometimes, but I think for this one we should get approval from my boss, Akis. Let's go see what he's saying. Yo, Akis, can I chat to you quickly? So I explained the idea to Akis and he wasn't really sold, but after loads of push and pull, we found our way in.
You know what? If I see 1 million subscribers on screen, then yeah, you can go for it.
Approval secured. Let's get to leaking. First, we need to decide what is it that we're actually leaking. As luck would have it, I was involved in an accidental leak over 2 years ago.
Yeah, we posted a render of a product that hadn't been released yet straight to our YouTube channel.
Can we get our camera back, please?
Wait. Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
Thankfully, we took it down before there was any lasting damage. So we thought to use that concept as the fake product to leak. Next, we had to make the leak our own, a way of signifying that we were in on it all along. We don't want to come out and say, yo, we planted the leak, that's no fun. But as the leaker said, leakers are smart and they check the images to make sure that they are legit.
Finally, we had to decide, how do we leak the coded render?
Thanks to my interview, we knew exactly what to do. So we planted the fake leak in places we knew leakers would check.
Okay, final step is we have to wait till the leak gets picked up. Fingers crossed. Taxi!
Hours turned into days, days turned into weeks, no sign of the leak. And just when we thought all hope was lost, it finally happened.
What even is that?
You're joking.
Hack is gonna lose his shit.
Twitter went crazy. The fake render was making the rounds, and it was even picked up by some of the major media outlets. The fake leak was a success. Finally got back at the leakers, tarnishing their precious little reputation. Bye-bye clout, bye-bye followers, see ya. Joseph, this is for you, man. But there was still one loose end that needed to be tied up.
Yo, hero.
Yo.
Got a minute chat?
Yeah.
What the hell is this?
What's up? Yeah, you said we could plan the league.
What do you mean, man? I said, like, only if we can reach to 1 million subscribers, like, create enough buzz and...
No. You said...
You know what? If I see 1 million subscribers on screen, then, yeah, you can go for it. What's the difference?
No, here you go. Press play.